Hey there, want to create your own AI chatbot without writing a single line of code? Imagine having a digital assistant that works 24/7, providing instant support and boosting your sales. Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to show you how to do just that in no time. No technical skills required, just a few clicks and you're set. Meet ChatBot, your all-in-one platform to design, create, and deploy chatbots effortlessly. This powerful tool is designed to make your life easier and your business more efficient. Whether you're looking to enhance customer support, boost sales, or streamline operations, ChatBot's got you covered. It's versatile and adaptable to any business need. First up, let's talk about scanning with AI Assist. This feature is a game changer for businesses looking to leverage their existing data. This powerful feature allows you to train your AI model based on your business expertise. It's like having a digital apprentice that learns from you. Simply scan your website or other resources and let ChatBot do the heavy lifting. It processes the data and uses it to create a highly efficient chatbot. Your AI chatbot will be ready to deliver accurate and personalized customer support using the collected data. It's like having a customer service team that never sleeps. Imagine your customers getting precise answers in seconds. No more waiting, no more frustration, just instant support. Next, we have one-click templates. These are pre-designed chatbot flows that you can use to get started quickly. These templates are a godsend when you need to kickstart your chatbot with predefined flows. They cover a wide range of scenarios and use cases. Whether it's suggesting products, offering discounts, or collecting leads, you'll find a template that fits your needs perfectly. It's like having a head start in the race to better customer engagement. Just pick one, and you're good to go. It's that simple. No need to start from scratch, just customize and deploy. Now, let's dive into the Visual Builder. This is where the magic happens. It's an intuitive tool that makes chatbot creation a breeze. You can visually design your chatbot's flow, making it as simple or as complex as you need. The intuitive drag and drop builder lets you create and adjust your chatbot's flow with ease. No coding required. Just drag, drop, and connect. Add, move, and edit blocks to customize your chatbot exactly the way you want. Tailor it to fit your business needs perfectly. It's like building with Lego, but for chatbots. Each block represents a different function or response, and you can arrange them however you like. What's more, ChatBot's user-friendly interface ensures that even if you're a tech novice, you can still create a professional-grade chatbot. It's designed to be accessible to everyone. It's time to take your business to the next level with this amazing tool. Ready to get started? Hit the link below and sign up for free now. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your business. With ChatBot, building your all-in-one AI chatbot has never been easier or faster. It's a seamless process that will have you up and running in no time.